In today's video, let me walk you through the process on the way that you use the live stream shopping to get exclusive promo codes. Now, using the live shopping inside of Amazon, these vendors or these sellers will constantly give out promo codes using the live shopping platform. So what you want to do is tap on the search bar on the top and search for live shopping, and this option or this section will appear which says Amazon Live. Once you're inside of the Amazon Live platform, you'll be able to view all of the lives that are currently going on. You can also tap on each of these categories to find different sort of categories that you are interested in. So you'll need to just head over to the live that is currently playing, and creators will frequently call out their custom codes verbally or pin them on the live chat. So you can just take a look at the live chat first of all to see if there are any custom codes available. If they are not, you'll need to wait out for the creator to verbally call out the pin. So this is the only way that you can get this custom code, so that you can use these codes to get exclusive discounts inside of Amazon. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.